Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your TikTok password very quickly. So first of all, log into your account and make sure you have logged into your account. Just click on your profile and just click on this three dot here and just click on setting and privacy option here. So click it and you have found multiple options. Just click on accounts, and now that's it, you have the found that option is password. So just click on password and just that verification link sent to your email address that you have registered with. Now you just have to enter the verification code. Now enter your verification code. So I have entered. So now you have option to change your password. So now you can change your password, whatever your password you want to put here. So you just put your password and just click on next option and it's done. So your password has been changed. That's it. This is a very simple process of changing your password of TikTok account. So that's it for the video, and if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.